Since having solar inserts fitted by Econergy systems, our conservatory is cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and we can even watch TV.
We find we can use it as an extra room now instead of just a conservatory, because it's enabled us to be able to sit out in the winter and not be freezing cold, and also in the summer we were far too hot and couldn't watch the telly, but no, it's absolutely perfect, and it's really made a difference to the house as having it as an extra room.
The fitting was straightforward, no mess, and very efficient, and full of compliments for them.
We'd recommend them to anybody, they're really good.